Our next encounter with the black bear was in the Boundary Waters canoe area. If you encounter a black bear like we did here in Knife Lake in the Boundary Waters canoe area, stand your ground and make yourself look large, speak calmly and aggressively, make a lot of noise, and use bear spray if needed.
What's up, Mr. Bear? Where you going? You're out there in the middle of the day. You get out of here! Get out of here! Go! Get! Go, 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 go.
Yelling and banging on pots and pans lasted only so long. We felt that this young bear was stalking us and we decided to leave. Better to be safe than sorry.